Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have our Boxycharm box. We are going to unbox the Boxycharm. Okay, so I have not opened it. It's all nice and sealed. So we are going, where are my scissors? I just got home from work. Well, I'm back up. I got home from work and we've, fed the baby and put him to bed. So it is now 7. So no, I have not done anything different to my face in case there's something in here we want to play with. And I did bring makeup remover wipes in case there was, again. Ow! I think I got a cardboard cut. Those are fun. Whew. The one night I don't bring a beer in here, right? Okay, so I have just opened it. Da-da-da-da. So it is called All Access is what the box is called. Okay, so we're not going to look at it right now. I'm turning it over. Alright, so first thing in the box is da-da-da. Ooh, Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleep Mask. Ooh. Deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. Dr. Brandt recommends apply mask to clean, dry skin before bedtime. Do not rinse, use nightly. It says, a hydrating recovery sleeping mask powered by a biotic balancing complex to balance skin's natural occurring flora. Soothing peptides along with a restorative blend of ceramides, fatty acids, and calming ingredients work in harmony to help soothe, nourish, and restore hydration to the skin. All skin types. Right there. I'm totally game for that. I can't wait. Let's see. Oh, the second ingredient is dimethicone. But there are some other really good ingredients in here. Ardenica seed. There's that peg 10. Glycerin. Glycerin helps hold water to the skin, and that's one of the top 5 ingredients, so that's good. Yeah, so we got some good stuff in here. I can't wait to try this. Dr. Brandt is a really good skincare line, so I kind of trust them. So we're going to try it. Dimethicone is kind of like talc. Some people like it, some people hate it. It says for all skin types. We're going to find out. Alright, so Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleep Mask retails for $52. Y'all, my box was $22. That's with tax. So it's $21, but it's $22, like $42 with tax. So this already is double what my box was worth. So if you're not with Boxycharm, you need to try. Alright, oh, I see a violet moss. Oh, I heard on Instagram that might be in here. Look at that. Look at those colors. There's some mattes. There's a shimmer too. Oh, look at that color. Oh my gosh. There's definitely some pretty colors in here, y'all. We're going to be playing with that soon. I've never tried Violet Boss, but I've always wanted to. Always wanted to. Let's see. How much is that? Violet Boss Essentials Eyeshadow Kit. It's $29. Okay. So far I've spent 2 products is triple what I've paid for the box. So, yay. Alright, let's open it up. Y'all know me. Gotta find it. Ooh, we got Hank and Henry. What are you? Blickety Black Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner. Okay. It'll be great for a wing. Let's see. See if I can pop it open. Where's my handy dandy? Ooh. No, my fingers work just fine. Okay. Ooh. Sorry. That's a lipstick swatch from earlier. Let's do it on the other hand. This will be better. Sorry, y'all. I'm not left-handed, but yeah. Seemed to be pretty good. I'm not mad at that. Now let's just see if it doesn't dry out. Let's see. What do we have? Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner. Does it say if it's waterproof? Does not. Let's see what it says up here. Hank and Henry, I'm hungry. Hank and Henry Blickety Black Eyeliner is for $20. Wow, slick with a line of eye products. Our eyeliner is a vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte finish. This formula is extremely long wearing and transfer resistant, which is perfect for those hooded eyelids. In case you didn't know, this is a hooded eyelid. When you open your eyes and all you can see is a tiny bit of lid space because the skin here hangs over the eyelid, that is a hooded eye. FYI, in case you didn't know. Alright, so it claims to be transfer resistant. Let's just, I'm putting my finger, I'm not moving it. It did not come off on my finger. Let's try to move it. It did not smear, y'all. Did not smear. Good job. Good job, Hank and Henry. So far, so good. You retail for $20. So that's fantastic. Oh, yes. Moda brushes. If y'all don't know about Moda brushes, you need to. Last time I got some, it was from the Walmart. And I love them. Now, who can afford an artiste brush? Please tell me, because I can't. So, my Moda ones was like a pack of 6, and they all kind of look like the artiste brushes, and they are so soft. Love them. So, I'm really excited to have eye brushes from Moda. I'm trying to open it, guys. That is my problem right now. Alright, we got 5 brushes. You can see. And I can tell you what they're used for. They're supposed to be used for, but y'all, you can use them for anything you want to. This is mostly like a blender brush. This is like a packer brush and a smudger. This is another packer. This is a very like pencil pointed. You can get right on in there if you want to. And then like a liner brush if you wanted. There you go. Like a liner brush if you wanted to do it yourself. Wing it out. Oh, the handles are a ridge. See, can you hear it? It's so nice that way, like if you're sweating, you know, you're out in a hurry, you're fishing on your boat and you're trying to put makeup on. Y'all don't do that, do you? That's just me. If y'all want to see a video on that, let me know. That would be fun. I would be either seasick or I would be, I don't know, I think it'd be fun. Let's just try it. Oh, what is this? Alright, so this is $1 Billion Brows. The Microblade Effect Brow Pen in the shade Dark. Might be too dark for me. Let's see. $1 Billion Brow Pen is for $18. This brow pen mimics the look of natural brow hairs to get a great microblade effect without the blade. It can be used to define a very bold brow or create natural looking brow hairs for a more subtle look. This long-lasting formula will last for an all-day look. Well, let me just try to open you up. Let's see what we can do with you. And y'all, in a minute, we're going to play with this Violet Boss. Like, I keep looking at it. Like, I know I have, get off. I know I have eyeshadow on, but I want to play with it. Wow, look at that. Can you see where it's, if I can focus? Look, it's got 3 little barbs on it. Let's see. Let's do it down here. Nope. I don't have a clean spot. Let's do it on this hand. I'm not left-handed. I need to be. Let's see. Yeah. I could see where that could work. And even though it says dark, it's kind of a gray dark. I could build it up like it could, if I do it lightly, I might could use it on mine. Let's see. Get off of there. Okay. See how dark you are. Oh. Yep, you are a little bit dark. Oh. If I go this way. Go down that way. Give me a tail. Give me a tail. The color really doesn't matter. Let's try to draw some brow hairs. Okay. I can see that working. Cover up my little blonde hairs up there with some dark. Yeah. No, I didn't do nothing with my brows today, so. That's that one brow. Not mad at it. I'd have to play with it some more to get the effect that I want, but that's the general idea. Well, y'all thought I was going to do that, but I ain't going to do that. Ooh. Because it takes, sometimes these things, takes a while to come off my eyeballs, and I ain't trying to scrub it. But when I do use it, I will make sure that I show y'all. Alright, so let's play with Violet Boss. This video is only 10 minutes long, so let's play with it. Let's use a new brush. Alright, Moda. Let's take us a Moda. That's a big old black. Let's take this one. Let's just do it. Let me take it. Making sure we're dry, guys. That's all I'm doing. Yeah. Alright, so normally I put a base on, like some concealer or something, but because we're just playing with it, I'm just going to see how the shadows do on their own. We're just going to see. Who else is excited except for me? I'm excited. Alright, so let's go in with Sand right here. It's kind of like a just a light brown shade. It does have a little bit of kick. I don't know if you could see that on camera. Let's see. Not really, but it's got a little bit of kick. But that's okay, I don't mind that. Ooh. Okay. Sorry, I'm not trying to block you guys from seeing. The pigment is beautiful. I'm going to put this all over the lid because, you know, I don't have a base down, so I'm trying to cover up those veins if I can. Put that all over the lid. That is beautiful. My gracious. I love that shade. Okay. So we did that. Let me take my little raggy poo here. Wriggle that off a smidge bit. Do you want to go cinnamon or do you want to go terracotta? Let's do, we're going to do cinnamon, which is that dark brown right there. Nope, we're going to do terracotta. Let's just live dangerously. We're going to do this orangey terracotta. Ooh. Alright, so I have placed that in my outer corner. Not really blended it, I'm just placing it right now. Trying to build up where I want it. It does not feel chalky at all on the eye. But I'm trying to cover my veins, which, again, y'all, that is not a tail of the eyeshadow. That's just because I don't have a base down. Alright, so now I got it kind of up there. We're just going to blend. Blendy blend. I think I want my bigger brush to blend it. We're going to take that bigger one. Kind of just blend. Oh yeah. Blend, blend. Isn't that just beautiful? I'm happy with it. I like it. Alright, so now we're going to go something, what color? Should we do gold? Should we do pink or plum? Let's do gold. We're going to do gold right there. I'm going to do my finger. Oh, it feels like butter. And it does not look like an overspray. So that's good. So, ooh, y'all, you see that? You see that pigment? That is bomb. You dropped a bomb on me. This is beautiful. I believe I may just do something with this palette right here with these colors for my best friend's wedding, because she's doing orange and she's doing sunflowers and all. So I'm taking this kind of big brush that I was blending with and blend this up here on both sides. Blend up. And I'm going to take just a smidge bit of that sand again, just a little dab, just to make sure it's all blended at the top. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at that color. Okay, so now I'm just going to take my clean finger here. I'm going to tap that middle. We're just going to blend so those middle pieces go together really well. Y'all, look at that. That's so pretty. Okay, big, huge fan of this. And you know what? Because that cream right there is so pretty, I'm gonna try to see if it can do as a highlight. Because, you know, it's good to know you can take one product and it be for 2 uses. So why not we try? All right, tapping it in there. Ooh, we get some stuff kicking on it. Let's do it. Okay. It's very subtle if you use it as a highlight, but that's okay. Sometimes we just like a subtle highlight. So kick it on that brow bone. Okay, so that's with a brush. Let's try it with our clean finger here. Now let's try. Oh yeah, you do it with your finger now. You're getting you some highlight. Look at that. Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer. Yeah, that could work as a highlight if you use your finger. Sorry, I'm using just a viewfinder so y'all could see what it looked like straight looking at the camera. So, yeah, it's not bad if you're looking for a highlight, but y'all like, that is too much. Just FYI, don't do that. Don't get so excited. Use my brush, my beauty blender from earlier today. Y'all, I got too excited. Okay, so it can be a very potent highlight if you use your finger. Just saying. Well, guys, thanks for hanging out with Shiny here. Yeah, makeup and shine. We're shiny. Bright and shiny. Sorry, my son likes to watch Moana. So thanks for hanging out with me and visiting my Boxycharm unboxing. And I'll see you guys next time. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Thanks. Bye.